I'm Jocelyn from Shanghai Chengxiang Machinery Company. Our factory produces perfume filling machine. You see, it's 5 ml. Of course, this machine can fit for 3 ml and 5 ml both. Come here. This is a perfume filling machine. This is a bottle filling. By the rotary, go one by one from here. This machine can fit for different bottle size with the spray caps and the outer caps. The spray caps and the outer caps can be together or can be separately. You see, here is the spray caps vibrate. Here is the outer caps vibrate. This machine we ship to South American countries, one of our old customers. The machine designed for UK water-samalo peristaltic pump. The 2-liter filling tool and the peristaltic pump controlled by the servo motor. Not stepping motor, servo motor with high quality. And this is a machine designed by the full automatic caps feeder, and with the robot caps pick up the caps on the bottles. Okay, this is the outer caps vibrate feeders automatically. Also designed by the robot caps. This is a full automatic filling, capping, and labeling machine for the spray, perfume bottles. It's very small bottles. Okay, and you see this labeling machine is together with the filling capping machine. After capping, they will go here automatically and lie on the belt for labeling. The labeling machine can be custom made for different position. Wrap around can be custom made. Okay, you see, this is our filling. This is our filling product. This is our filling product, perfume.